Well, hello again, everybody. I just finished a live, and now I'm going to do the coasters. I don't want to take it off the tray, so I'll do it this way. For those of you that didn't see the live, this is the picture I did. Oops, a piece of dust in there. Anyway, and now I'm going to use the leftover resin. I use all oil colors tonight. I know that's going to sound weird, but they worked, okay? Okay, I'm just mixing the last of my resin with some white. And then I'm going to do some coasters. Oil does go in to resin fine, okay? You know, it works good. So that's what I'm going to do with these. And you saw the piece that I just did. Okay. The one thing you want to do, if you didn't watch the live, I'll show you this. When you put it in, you don't want to put a whole lot of resin in. I know I shouldn't have done that with this. And you want to make sure you really mash up that piece of the oil paint that you put in there. You always want to get it mixed really good. Now my stick is sticking to my hand. Okay. Anyway, I'm just going to put some of the white down. I'm not really going to do a base layer. I'm just going to put some of the white down and then put some of the colors with it. Well, it looks like it's going to end up being a base layer, so... Oh, see, I had some color in there that I didn't even mix in. Oh, well. It's history now. Okay, so I'm just doing like a little abstract design. Oh, forgot this one. Duh! It's so hot in here, I gotta turn my heat off. We're finally starting to get what I would call spring weather here. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do the red right across. I love doing these little coasters different than I did the picture. Okay, now I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some of the blue. Now this is cerulean blue, so it's a little bit lighter than the other blue. Okay. Oops. See, did it again. Okay, now, if I can get the stick off my glove, I am going to go around the other edge with the black, and then I'm going to start heating it up and blowing it around, and see what we get. Okay, come on, stick. Oops, that went right down the side. There we go. Okay, let's see what we get now. Yes, it's dripping off. I see it doing that. So, now, I had the heat gun on for I don't know how long earlier, so I've gotten rid of all my dust boogers. So basically, I'm just heating up the resin, getting rid of the air bubbles that might be in there. Some of it I'm blowing to the edge, because it's not quite at the edge. Yeah, I was too lazy to put my finger in there and move it around, so I'm going to let the heat gun do that. Okay, now see what it does. I don't want them to be all the same, but I want them to pretty well, you know, kind of match. Okay, I'm going to blow this one. Sorry if I'm blocking. I don't think I'm blocking you that bad. Oh, you can see me in the overhead. And I gotta go in. I got little, I don't know what that is. I got some, it might be little chunks of paint. I don't know. But I can see little things in them. So what you do is you sit here with a pair of tweezers. You look at it sideways. And you pick out the little bits you see. And that looks to be about it. Last thing you do is you pick it up, you go underneath with your fingers, you wipe all the drips off. Okay. You can also go around the edge too. Okay. And then you turn around, well, or however your studio's set up, and you put it in your dust-free zone. See, I didn't get the corners right here and right here. And right here. There we go. Oops, still missed one. There we go. Okay, and that's basically how you use up your leftover resin, and I got enough left to do a couple squishy coasters. My box isn't open and I only got one coaster out, so I'm not gonna squish one coaster. I'm gonna let it dry the way it is and see if I get any good skins out of it. So, I want to thank everybody who was at the live. I want to thank everybody who came in to watch this one. I do this separate from the live because I don't want to make, because you know it's in the evening and stuff, and I don't want to make people take too much time out from their work or their TV watching or whatever they're doing. So, thank y'all for watching. I love all my subscribers. I love the resin right out of you. If you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. Thank you if you have subscribed. And welcome to my new subscribers. That's all I can say. I hope to see you all in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of After the Live. Bye for now.